Silver this week has risen in value. We can see after the price has gone below 30.59, the price was expected that it will go further down. This is something that I was expecting after the price has formed these candles below this area of resistance or supply zone. But on a Monday, the price formed a bullish breakout above, very important, and stopped just here at the resistance level 31.18. This is something I have shared with the traders inside the previous service on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, when the price is formed a bullish breakout above, going all the way what is the next target. But also after the price has formed this bearish breakout, for example like this one, I have shared information with the traders inside the previous service. The link will be below so you can also check and join what is the next target, so they are informed how the price behaves. Now if you take a look on the daily time frame, how the week has behaved after the price has reached this resistance level, a supply zone. The price has gone all the way back down to this support level. From here, the price is bouncing back up, forming on the Friday a bullish breakout above this area of resistance at this supply zone above 31.18. The week looks like a bullish candle. We can see that the price has cancelled this one, a bearish breakout in the previous week, which is in the validation of this bearish breakout, suggesting further rise in value. Monthly time frame currently shows me a bearish candle where the price is just in between this resistance level and this support level. So we have one more week until this month closes, so we'll see how the price behaves, how the price will react again at this price level, at this resistance level where the price is currently on the lower time frame. So we can see at 32.13 is very important resistance level, and on the monthly time frame it would be the best for the bulls that the price continues to rise in value and closes above, which will indicate potentially further rise in value. Now the weekly doesn't show me too much pretty clear information, but we can see on the daily with what is very important. Currently we have a bullish breakout formed here on a Friday, which is suggesting further rise in value. But if I go to the lower time frame, we can see that on a 4-hour time frame 31.46 is very important resistance level that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value to the next resistance level, which will be 31.77 and then 32.13. So we can see that we have two more levels in between current market price and the current target, which is 32.13, where the price needs to go. So for the monthly time frame, in order to prevent to be potentially a bearish candle, bearish breakout on the monthly time frame, suggesting further decline in value. So will the price manage to go above? So currently what I am expecting on Monday, I am expecting after this bullish breakout has been formed and confirmed, I am expecting the price will reach 31.46. Now when the price makes a bullish breakout above, or it will return back down making a bearish breakout, this is something that the traders inside the previous service will get notification, so they are informed when the breakout happens and also what is the next target. Will it go up or it will go down? So they are informed on time on the daily basis during the week, so they can also adapt to that trading strategy and also include this analysis in their own analysis to make a better decisions. So if you would like, feel free to join, the link will be below. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.